Are you tired of looking in the mirror and seeing dullness, fine lines, or those stubborn dark spots? Do you wish your skin could recapture that youthful glow you remember? It's a common frustration for so many of us. We spend so much time and money on topical creams and serums. But what if the secret to truly radiant, youthful-looking skin wasn't just on the surface? What if it came from deep within? Imagine a powerful, natural solution that works from the inside out. We're talking about a revolutionary approach to skin rejuvenation. It's time to discover the incredible power of our unique blue antioxidant. This isn't just another beauty trend. It's a fundamental shift in how we think about skin health. Our blue antioxidant is designed to help your body unlock its own potential for beauty. You might be surprised to learn that the secret to glowing skin often lies in your gut. Yes, your digestive system plays a far more significant role in your appearance than you might realize. It's a truly fascinating connection. An imbalanced gut can lead to inflammation throughout your body. This internal inflammation often shows up on your skin. It can manifest as redness, breakouts, and even accelerate the signs of aging. When your gut isn't happy, your skin often isn't either. Poor nutrient absorption and an unhealthy microbiome can directly impact your skin's ability to repair and regenerate itself. This is why topical solutions sometimes fall short. Think of your gut as the root system of a beautiful plant. If the roots aren't healthy, the leaves and flowers won't flourish. Similarly, a healthy gut is foundational for truly vibrant skin. Our powerful blue antioxidant is specifically formulated to support a healthy gut environment. By nurturing your gut, it helps to reduce internal inflammation. This creates the perfect conditions for your skin to thrive. This incredible ingredient helps to smooth the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It works by supporting your skin's natural elasticity and firmness from within. Imagine a visibly smoother complexion. It also helps to fade the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. By promoting a more balanced internal environment, it assists your body in achieving a more even skin tone. Say goodbye to those pesky spots. But the benefits don't stop there. Our blue antioxidant helps to boost your skin's natural radiance. It helps to restore that healthy, youthful glow that makes you look and feel amazing. Many of us have tried countless products without seeing lasting results. That's because they often only address the symptoms. Our blue antioxidant targets the root cause of many skin concerns. It's about nourishing your body at a cellular level. This internal support translates into visible improvements on the outside. You'll notice a difference in how your skin looks and feels. Imagine waking up to skin that feels more supple and looks more vibrant. Picture yourself confidently facing the day with a natural, healthy glow. This is the power of working from within. This approach is especially beneficial for those of us experiencing the natural changes that come with aging. It helps your body to counteract some of those visible signs. It's about aging gracefully and beautifully. While our primary focus is on skin rejuvenation, the benefits of a healthy gut extend far beyond your complexion. When your gut is balanced, you often experience improved energy levels. You might feel more vibrant overall. Many people also report better mood and mental clarity. The gut-brain axis is a well-established connection. A happy gut can contribute to a happier you. Supporting your gut health also plays a crucial role in your overall well-being. It helps to strengthen your body's natural defenses. It's a holistic approach to feeling your best. This means you're not just investing in your skin. You're investing in your overall health and vitality. It's a truly comprehensive solution for feeling and looking your best. We understand that you want solutions that are not only effective, but also trustworthy. Our blue antioxidant is backed by careful research and development. We prioritize purity and potency. We believe in providing you with a product that delivers real, noticeable results. Our goal is to empower you to feel confident and beautiful in your own skin. We are committed to your satisfaction. This isn't about quick fixes or empty promises. It's about a sustainable path to healthier, more radiant skin. It's about giving your body what it needs to truly shine. We've seen incredible transformations. People are rediscovering their youthful glow and feeling more confident than ever. You deserve to experience this for yourself. Are you ready to unlock the secret to truly radiant, youthful-looking skin? Are you ready to experience the transformative power of our blue antioxidant? The time to start is now. Don't let dullness, wrinkles, or dark spots hold you back any longer. Embrace a new approach to beauty that works from the inside out. Your skin will thank you. Visit our website today to learn more about our powerful blue antioxidant. Discover the science behind its incredible benefits. Read stories from people just like you who have experienced amazing results. Take the first step towards a more radiant, confident you. Click the link below to start your journey to glowing skin from within.